Whew. Alright, I got 29 minutes. Alright, guys, so we're putting this baler together because what happens is this, what was going on here is with this, you got these spikes that, I don't know all the terms, but all these spikes that are pull the grass and hay up. That piece right there broke off. We had to weld it back on, had to take all that out. So now, Mike's out there checking the cows. But I'm just right here. I'm trying to put these pieces of guards back in there. See right there? Right there. Yeah. Putting that back in there. Let's see if I can film this. No. Trying to see if I can. I'm not sure what you guys are seeing. Probably not seeing much, but basically, I'm grabbing one of these like this, and is it still filming? Yeah. Taking this, and it's gonna go like this. Dang. Alright, I think I know. Anyway, it goes like that. I don't know if you guys are seeing what's going on here, but it goes like this. And that's the wrong part. And it comes on here. And then, I don't know what you guys are seeing, but right here, comes in, and it hooks into here. It would hook into it. There we go. Just like that. And I'm gonna get some screws. Oh. Just like that. Another screw. Oh, I'm gonna do some ham videos. There we go. Heidi ho. Just a bunch of these. Many times. Does this hurt my arm? Yes. But it's honest work. Ain't much, but it's honest work, man. And I enjoy doing it. Kind of. Oh, come on. Damn it. Oh, come on. Sometimes I get caught on those metal bars up there. What the heck is going on? There we go. And you can see Put it on here. Where'd my hat go? Boom. My hat. Oh. There's it's hard to explain, but each one there's a couple of bars that hold them down and they get stuck in the way, so I gotta go up top and get those suckers out of the way. So what it is, these suckers, these bars right here, like this bar gets in the way of it going up there. So I gotta fix that. Put it in. I'm just gonna try to film it myself. So, like this. And then I get this out of the way, like that. And push that forward so it sits, allows that to go up in there. Just like that. Alright, I'm gonna screw the rest of these in. How we doing, guys? So, yeah, sorry I couldn't do much talking and filming, for that matter, fixing that baler. Basically, that's a round baler, and there's these different, I don't know the names of them, but there's these like bars in there that have little like little picks, but they're like little rakes, and they turn and they pick like almost like a vacuum does with bristles, where it picks up the grass and then shoots it up into the baler to bale it. And one of the bars in there broke off, so me and Mike we had to pull it. We had to take everything out to get that bar out, and then weld the piece back on, because it was a piece that keeps it on a track, or keeps it in track to move with a little wheel on it, so that it'll keep spinning. And we just welded that, tack welded that on, and put it back on, and then it just took a lot of, basically like putting in rivets, but they're just screws, putting all those guards back on. You can see the guards that guard that those little forks. So anyway, that's what I was doing. Sorry I couldn't really show much and talk much, because I'm trying to get done, and now I'm heading over to Dad's, get some food, so can't argue with free food, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna head over there, and that's where I'm heading right now. It's 8 o'clock, and I gotta get to work. I gotta get to bed, but I think I have work at, I think we have at 5:30 in the morning, go to work at 6, so let's see what's going on. Update on work and stuff. Submitted a lot of stuff, but email wise, I've only received 2 emails in the past couple days, and received one today. It was for the fruit to the loom, I don't know, but that underwear company. There's a factory here, and yeah, they it was for driving a forklift in the factory, moving pallets of underwear, or whatever, and load trucks and stuff. But they said that position was filled, so gotta keep going along. I'm gonna try to get done earlier tomorrow, and try to, I don't know, ride or something. I want to ride, so, but without having someone to film, it just doesn't look as good, because you can't really zoom in and follow me and stuff like that. So anyway, that's what I had going on. That's what I did from 2:30 to 8 o'clock now. So yep. All right, so I guess I'll catch you guys when I catch you guys. All right, see you guys.